Yeah, the recording has been started.
Okay, so hey all, we are back again here in the college canteen, and
Yeah,
we
Hi
have
everyone.
one, yeah,
Hello
and we have
everyone.
one,
so
yeah, we have one new guest today, Amit.
yeah,
So Amit, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience?
Myself Amit Aryan.
Yeah,
Uh, Thanks Akhil for joining me.
yeah, and tell some more information about you. What are you doing actually? What are your
yeah,
hobbies and all? I have sent one Google form to you. You have to fill that later on, and just discuss some.
I've already filled Google form.
Yeah, thank you. So
wow.
discuss those things you can discuss, like what are you doing now and what are your
Mhm.
hobbies and all, so that we can start from there.
Actually, I'm a college student,
Yeah,
and other thing uh, I've learned acting.
yeah, that's great.
Wow.
Okay. Yes, and I'm also working the shooting, all other things like movie shooting, album shooting,
Okay,
like
Wow.
the
okay, production work
Okay.
and all.
yeah,
So we
yeah.
are very glad to have such a knowledgeable person
Artistic
with us
question.
because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's a like a different domain of the knowledge when college students and all are having. So
Yeah.
Mhm.
we
Yeah,
will be
yeah.
having a great discussion. So today what we will practice is we will try to listen each other first and then we will answer because we will discuss from today not to clash the talkings of each other. Okay. So we done
Mhm.
that things pretty much earlier and we will improvise that. Okay.
Definitely.
So let's listen some of the stories or some things from Amit, and then we will carry on to the discussion. If Amit agrees to that, otherwise we will have something else.
Mm,
Something is coming in your mind. If you want to speak, then you can. Otherwise, you can take time. It's no problem.
I will take time. I
Okay.
take time. I will discuss
Yeah.
after
For
some
Yeah,
time.
yeah. No
yeah, yeah,
problem. No problem. Sure.
Okay.
yeah. So
Then, in which topic we should discuss?
yeah, we could discuss about it was today. What let's discuss about what we did today. How was our day? Was busy or not busy? So then something we
Okay,
will
yeah.
get derived
Let's
from
start
that.
with that. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So mine day was actually I started doing good things in the beginning. I actually woke up.
Like.
Actually woke up earlier today. I woke up at around 8. So it was the earliest for me this year, I think. Okay. So I woke up at 8 and then I went to deliver a vehicle to one of my friend. I told
Mhm.
yesterday that one of my friend got accident, and so
Yeah.
yeah, I brought
Sorry for that.
I brought his vehicle to home for like some things like his home is far away from here. So I took it to the
Mm.
service center. Then I walked in from there to my home because I don't wanted to like bother the his brother to live in my home. I just wanted to walk some bit. So I walked around 1 to 1.5 kilometers after so many days. Okay. So it was a
Wow.
nice feeling. And then I took bath and all, and I started reading about some things. Okay. I started solving some questions and all. Then at 2 a.m. I at sorry at 2 p.m. I went to sleep. I woke up at 4:30 and just I turned myself and I slept again. I woke up at 6:20.
That
Okay, so
happens quite a lot.
yeah, that
Yeah.
wraps that wraps my day a lot. Okay, so and
Mhm.
I continued after that my work also.
And how about you, Rishabh?
My day was so strange. I slept at the morning of 7 a.m.
Oh,
Whoa.
what were you watching?
What are you doing, bro?
Yeah, I am watching the stage.
Okay, that's
Sorry?
nice. He was watching
Yes,
some
web
series.
series.
Series. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But at 10 a.m., my friend called me about for the trading works. Then I wake up
Oh,
and I feel
Okay.
sleepy whole day.
yeah.
Whoa.
So didn't you
Yeah.
sleep at afternoon or evening or something?
No, no, didn't get the time for sleep, bro. It's little
Oh,
busy.
hardworking man.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, no
Hustler.
problem. Yeah. No, doesn't matter. He will sleep today.
In in evening, Rishabh was in my room.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, we prepare
we will cook some food.
puris, vegetable and savai. Then we eat together.
Yeah, you are a great cook.
Yeah.
We knew that in our,
Yeah,
earlier
yeah.
sessions.
So,
We got
so
to know
what?
about that.
So, what about you, Aditya? How was your day?
Yeah, pretty much same as Rishabh. Like I almost, slept almost about 6:30 in the morning
Okay.
because I was watching that Family Man season 1,
Yeah, nice.
and it's amazing. And after that, I slept for almost 5 hours, and I woke up again at 11 a.m. And after that, for straight, around 5 hours, like 11 to 3. Yeah, if my maths is correct. Okay, it's 4 hours. So 11 to 3, I got straight, working with my designing stuff. So I designed almost 18 t-shirts today.
Oh,
And yeah.
that's good.
Oh,
And after that, I, started brushing my, and the regular stuffs, brushing and, taking bath. And after that, I had my lunch. And quite late for that, but still, yeah. And it went like that. After it's evening, so I have to do something about my internship works,
Okay.
and I have to decide after that some project stuffs. So I had to call my mate for that.
Yeah.
And after that I had dinner, and that's it. We are here again
Yeah.
after Instagram and
So,
YouTube.
don't you get pounded for
Uh,
doing that much of work straight? Why don't you know, like brushing and all in your room?
Yeah, I have also taken my
okay.
lunch at 4 p.m.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Little bit just a poha.
Oh,
Yeah,
little bit, Rishabh.
yeah.
it's tiny. It's very tiny.
How much
It's
poha you
compared
eat?
to
How
Okay.
much poha you eat doesn't matter. So, how was your day, Amit?
yeah. I mean,
It was good because wake up at 12 p.m. 12, I think.
the luckiest person
Yeah.
I can see today.
And then I watch two movies,
Okay.
and then
Which ones?
evening. What?
Which movie you
movies?
watched?
One is Hacked,
Hacked,
and
Hacked.
yes, and
Rohan Shah.
another Hina. Yeah.
Yeah, Hina and Rohan Shah. Yeah, right.
I also,
And then-
also watched that movie.
about that.
No,
And then
Akhil, there is a college student who is brilliant in a computer
cyber security.
and they are very last student.
Okay. Oh yeah, got it. Convincing type.
They fall,
Yeah.
yeah, they fall in love of a model type businesswoman
Yeah.
girl,
Okay.
Hina. After they trap their building and their mobile, they hacked everything.
Oh, got
and
got
and the age difference between I think double Rohan's double age,
Okay.
No problem. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter that it's about breaking the barrier of age, caste, and all those things. Okay.
Akhil is so experienced, bro.
Yeah, very much experienced. I'm twice
Do
as
not,
twice
do
as
not question
experienced.
on the Akhil.
Twice experienced as you all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Zero.
as
Means
usual.
zero.
Sorry.
Means zero.
Yeah.
I have zero experience.
Oh,
Okay.
2 into 0, 0. That's it.
So Amit, continue. We will not interrupt you again. Okay. Sorry for interrupting.
Okay. And then as usual, in evening we make some food
Yeah.
with Rishabh and our room partners, and it.
So okay, so let's
That's
discuss about choosing a movie to watch. It's a strange topic to discuss about.
Yeah,
But,
Yeah. I love that
it's
topic.
it's a very difficult topic for choosing
Yeah.
which movie
That's
we
why
have seen.
that's why we will solve that problem today. Okay, so it will be problem solving for
Okay.
Aditya and me, and it will be and you two guys will be the test subject for
Mentoring us.
Okay, so
You are the
we
expertise
are,
here.
Yeah, you two people are the
Or me,
expertise.
This is the most easiest question.
Yeah, that's why some.
That's why you are the expertise, right? You hold
For
expertise in this subject.
For Rishabh it's the easiest, and for Amit it's the hardest. Okay, so let's get what
Yeah.
makes it harder and what's make it easier. So let's start from Amit, and
Mm.
yeah. So how did you get it hard? So that hard can be like reduced to easier thing. We can't go from easier to hard.
Because when I open YouTube uh, and I search any movie and which I think many more movies are coming.
Yeah.
Uh, then I saw every movie I already watched.
Okay.
So that's why we have difficult to choose which movie
Yeah.
we have to see.
So what are the things you look on a movie to watch?
Uh, Suspense, thriller, like that.
Okay. So those are the things to are the basis of searching a movie for you.
As usual, like suspense movie or thriller movie in Hollywood, Bollywood.
Okay, so from wherever you get, you like the suspense and thriller stories more than okay. So
Yeah.
that's nice. So it wraps up all, or you do have something to say about that thing?
Sorry.
Do you have more to discuss about that thing? Is my voice visible, audible to you?
Yeah, it's completely visible.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, so Amit, it's just the suspense and thriller types of movies you watch,
Yeah.
or do you think about something more when you are trying to search for a movie, or you are get influenced by your thoughts and something while you search for the movie?
Hmm. Uh, Actually, I'm stuck. What are you?
Okay, no problem. You could
No
frame your
problem.
answers. Then until then we can go. We listen things from Resab. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's know how to search movie in a easier way. Okay.
No, I only thought that if the movie has a unique concept, I have to watch it.
Okay. So you are very much straightforward. You don't see what the genre is and what the hero and all.
Yeah, I usually see the IMDb rating.
Yeah.
If it's greater than 6, I have to watch that movie. And this is, of course, this is a good movie.
So have you watched any movie less than a rating of 6 and you did liked it?
There are many movies like of Bollywood, like
So
Like,
just like I watched the movie, Barun Dhawan movie.
hero, Maitra hero.
Metera hero, not
No,
Coolie
that-
number 1.
Judwa
obviously.
2, Judwa
Coolie
2.
number
Coolie
one.
number 1.
Fully number 1. Okay.
You have watched that?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Because I am getting so bored, so I think there is just
Let's
comedy because of
yeah.
Varun Dhawan, so I have to watch.
No problem. It's made for that only.
Actually,
To get it watched.
I'm not.
And I have also watched the Race 3.
No problem, man. It's all up to you. It's made for people. They watch those movies. That's why it's made. Okay. So there is no problem
No.
in judging a movie too.
Yeah.
So I have no issues with that. But let's get to let's discuss about the great movies you have watched in like. Let's discuss two best movies and two worst movies you have watched this up. Until then, I think Amit will get
Okay,
enough
okay,
time.
okay. My best movies, my first best movies was The Shawshank Redemption in
Whoa.
1994.
Yeah.
His IMDb rating was the best
Above all-
rating above
Yeah.
everyone.
It's
9
a-
point something.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
9 point something till now. Okay.
Yeah. Till now it is the
No. It has
Most-
cracked. It was, until 2017, I think. Right, Shab?
no
It was
no,
the number
no.
1. 2019 or
Yes.
17.
Just Google it. Which movie is at
I'm
number
watching.
1?
Yeah, I will Google it. I have to Google the what? IMDb
Yeah.
rating of
Best movie according to IMDb.
Okay. Best movie. Until then, you discuss about things.
Yeah, my second
Hmm.
movie was The Godfather.
It's awesome. It's Shawshank Redemption
Shawshank Redemption.
9.2,
Whoa,
and The
yeah,
Godfather is on the second number.
Yeah. The
yeah.
Godfather trilogy. It has a three
Family.
part,
Mhm.
and everyone say that you Godfather trilogy have a answer of your all life question,
Yeah, it's a Bhagavad Gita
all
Wow.
of
problem
movies.
question. Yeah, it is the old movie 1972 first part, second part I think 1976, and third part 1979 80 or around.
Second part is in 1974.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
And third part in yeah.
Yeah, that's good, man. You have a huge,
Anyways,
too much IQ of movies and all. So
Yeah,
mhm.
Godfather movie is a little bit boring, but it is
Mhm.
a classic movie.
okay, I will watch it
Just
someday.
like yeah, and Shawshank Redemption is also a little bit boring, but when you see the climax, you will just say, "Boom! What I have seen! It is the
You will be
best movie
stunned.
ever."
You will be stunned,
Okay,
definitely.
I tried watching that movie. I saw that until the beer arrives to the rooftop. Okay, so the cold beer,
Yeah,
cool beer arrives to the rooftop.
yeah.
Uh,
After the working of something,
Yeah. I watched it
yeah.
that. Yeah. Okay, so I will be continuing someday. So let's.
Yes. Just see that movie. Actually, I have also see the first time only half the movie. My friend told me, "Please watch this movie, bro. Please watch this." I said, "No, this is boring. I have not to watch." Then when I complete the movie, really, it is a best movie till date.
Okay, so let's the best two movies I got from Rishabh, and let's discuss two worst movies you have
Worst.
watched,
Mhm.
Rishabh. It's pretty
Race
much
three,
hard. Yeah, I knew
race
it.
three.
It's no hard.
uh,
And one more,
Huh?
and one more movie.
Bagi two.
Okay,
Oh,
like you are criticizing Bollywood. Okay, so we got answers from Rishabh, and then let's get some answers from Amit. So, what are your two
yeah.
favorite or best movies you have watched, Amit, and what are the things you liked
Uh,
about that?
Actually, I'm not prepared to watching on the basis of rating.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, Actually, I don't know which movie are the best,
According to you,
which
not
one of.
not according to rating or something. What do you movie like? That may be a makadi from our
Your
childhood.
favorite movie.
When I'm watching any movie,
Okay.
then I'm watching at the point of acting,
Okay.
because generally I'm not watching a movie in
Okay. Which
entertainment
movie?
in
Okay,
entertainment
okay.
uh,
Which movies acting fascinate about? Actually, which
Your
best?
voice is cracking, Rishabh. Will you repeat the
yeah,
Oh,
question?
yeah.
okay. Sorry.
Actually, a notebook. No,
You like suspense thriller, and you saying about Notebook. Is it a suspense thriller or it was a romantic? I
This is
think.
a romantic movie and the
Yeah.
famous novel Notebook.
Yeah. So that's why I thought that.
yes. Actually, I like it much more.
You like Kashmir and all.
No. Hollywood Notebook.
Hollywood
Yeah,
Notebook.
Bollywood.
Hollywood, not Hollywood notebook. Hollywood
Okay.
notebook.
Bollywood.
Yeah. This is
So
based on the novel.
I
Yeah,
knew
yeah.
the Bollywood
And
Notebook because
No, this is the famous movie based and famous novel also, just like a Walk to Remember.
yeah.
it was very good. And my worst movie is uh, Hero to Zero for
Zero to
South
zero.
Indian movie.
Okay.
Hero to Zero.
I haven't heard of that. Okay, so I can't give any tip.
Actually, in that movie, everything is meaningless.
So why you'd watched? So from
And-
have you got the recommendation from somewhere, or it was your choice to watch that Hero to Zero, Zero to Hero or something?
Hero to Zero.
No, Zero to
I'm
Hero.
not
or what?
recommend anyone.
No, okay, so no problem. So Aditya, what do
Okay,
you
there
think
is a
about
fun
the
fact.
conclusion? What do you think? You will come to Rishabh after
Yeah.
Aditya discuss about the thing he
Yeah.
got from Amit and Rishabh. So have you something conclusion in your mind or something like that?
Okay, so like if you ask me about choosing how like did I got any clarification to how to choose a movie? So I will say not exactly how. Like yeah, Rishabh gave me insights like you should check the IMDb rating, so that's one good thing. And from Amit, I got to know that you don't have to be like think lot of things about just you have to watch it and just you have to watch it. If it's good, then do watch it complete, or you can just leave it some
Yeah,
point
but
of time if you don't like
Yeah,
it.
what I got is the the purpose of watching movies. Like Amit said that he watches movie to see the acting and all the
Acting
stuff.
part, yeah, right.
But Rishabh's
okay.
perception towards watching a movie is the stories and all. So
Creation, right.
he is more interested in the stories and all of the movie.
Hmm,
Am
hmm,
I right,
hmm,
Rishabh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
hmm.
So
Actually, actually, in
Okay.
acting class, sir is asking me any movies to watch. For watching movie is my homework.
okay,
Wow.
that's nice homework.
That's a nice homework. We'll love to do that.
Okay, Adi, your best movie.
My
Your-
best movie. Actually, I was thinking about that only. Like choosing a best movie is very difficult.
Forrest Gump.
No, because at different moods and different times you have different
Yeah,
genre
yeah.
to choose between.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So, but if somehow I have to choose, I will definitely go with Forrest Gump.
Hmm.
That's one of the best movies I can say,
Yeah, okay.
and yeah, that is the one.
Yeah, Tom Hanks, I think, actor
Tom
name.
Hanks.
Name
No,
of that
I
actor
really
is-
don't know the actor,
Yeah, I
but he's just awesome.
Forrest Gump actor has also one best movie, Castaway.
Yeah,
Cast
I watched
Away.
that movie. I watched that
Yeah,
movie.
yeah, yeah,
I'll
What
watch
was the
that.
name
Yeah, I'll
of that
definitely watch it.
coconut? What? Sorry, the volleyball.
yeah, 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 yeah. That is the chemistry between the
Yeah,
hero and the volleyball.
Yeah,
volleyball.
So
Wow.
if you will watch that movie, now you will feel like great.
No, it sounds amazing. The concept sounds amazing. I'll definitely
It was
watch it.
just a part of that movie. Like it's not based on the volleyball.
Just
Oh,
But
oh,
but the
oh.
relationship between the volleyball and the like the protagonist of that movie is so much
Mhm.
well balanced, and you will really feel that chemistry.
yeah.
Okay.
Just watch
Yeah,
Castaway movie.
Yeah, I'll love to.
Okay, so
Yeah. There is a fun fact. There is a writer, Nicholas Spark.
okay.
Nicholas X Spark.
Yeah. There are two books. One is Notebook and another is A Walk to Remember. Both books are bestseller of seller whole the world.
Walk to Remember is very good movie.
And both movies are also a blockbuster movie, and both movie are
Yeah, yeah.
most romantic movie and love stories movie in the world.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, I have also seen Walk to Remember.
I think you were like you all are missing me asking about the worst movie.
No,
Yeah,
no, no.
yeah.
You
We
have to
miss
say,
that
bro.
because I think that
I'm
you don't have
I'm
any answer
already
on that.
Okay, say Adi.
So the worst movie for me is Kartik Aaryan. Which movie, man? I'm not getting it. Recently, it was released in last year, 2019.
Guest in
Kartik
London.
Aaryan. No.
no.
Pati Patni or wo, I think.
Oh.
Pati Patni or wo.
It was so lame. It was so lame. There's one roommate in my hostel, and we were just planning to watch a movie, and it came out to be this movie, and we were so angry at this movie. We were so angry. We didn't finish it. We watched it till the half, and we lost our mind completely. It was just illogical and it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, they are just for entertaining masalas movie.
Yeah,
I
but
haven't watched that.
yeah, don't
Yeah.
watch it. Don't watch it.
I will not. I will not.
I watched it
know.
in theater.
I also watched in theater.
No,
Oh
no,
my
I
I
think
watch I watch Avengers Marvel movie in theaters.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
There's a
first day for sure,
rule.
or at least first day last.
Yeah.
Third day at 7 a.m.
I
in
waited
third
and
line.
I waited Uri. I waited for Uri. I haven't watched that
Oh,
movie in my laptop or computer. Even I had the chance. I waited for one
Wow.
month. Okay, so there was no other. I think there was no what we say the right time to watch that movie according because of college and all those things.
Hmm.
Me and Pranjal went to watch that movie, so we determined to watch that movie in the theater only. So it was the great experience watching that movie in the theater. And we also watched
Yes.
that movie in our home. Okay, Aditya, do you remember that?
Yeah. I remember. I completely remember that. We were on the
okay,
the
okay.
roof.
Your
Yeah.
your two best movie.
My two best
Yes.
movies. I recently watched Fight Club recommended by you. That was
Ah.
like the mind-opening movie because I watched it 1.5 times. Okay,
Yeah.
so
1.5.
yeah, because there are some scenes I had to like revisit to
Rewatch it again.
rewatch
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
to like actually get the reason of that, because if you will watch that in one go you will miss something out, but you will think about that movie, it comes out to very great because I really appreciate the message I get from that movie. Okay, so one movie
Okay.
is that, and I really actually it's very hard to take name of
Okay,
the
say
movies
2 3 movie.
because
We have to.
one or that Tumbad of the Bollywood,
Yeah. This is a
Yeah.
best movie.
because
This is also a best
what
movie.
I really think of like how you what we say see your thoughts in a scene, like how you actually
Yeah.
present your thoughts in a movie, that thing matters for me very great. Okay, so
Mhm.
and there are different movies I watch accordingly to the what do you say what I'm the thing I'm looking for actually. If I'm looking for
Mhm.
entertainment or something, I will watch comedy or something. And I
Mhm.
definitely like more adventurous movies more actually in like like to watch adventurous or something movie. But movies like this which takes a different level of turn makes like a great experience.
Right.
So all the movies which
Okay.
are great, actually the taking a name of the movie which is worst, it feels very bad for to me because the work done by the people behind that movie, I really care. I think about those things. So that's all.
But
And the best
still.
movies are the animation movies.
Yeah. They are so hard. They've put so much effort to make them,
Yeah,
right?
that's
That's
why.
why they have to.
That's why. That's why.
Anyways, but you have to like any one
So
worst movie like you
I
think.
take the name of the Fight Club as the best one of the best movie I
Mhm.
had watched. And one more thing, you take a name of Forrest Gump, Pursuit of Happiness. Those are the greatest of those all the
Yeah,
times we can say. And I
definitely.
named it Tumbad of Bollywood. And
Hmm.
I actually not remembering name of one of the movies. It was a pretty much old movie, but I
Mm-hmm.
actually am not remembering
Just
the
say
thing
the
about it.
story.
I'm not actually remembering anything about that, but I was just like that movie. I think.
No problem with that.
And worst movies I have watched. Okay, so one of the best movies I watched is Hathi Mera Sathi from
Hey.
Rajesh Khanna.
Hathi Mera Sathi.
Rajesh
Rajesh
Khanna
Khanna,
is
Yeah,
OP.
Rajesh
Rajesh
Khanna.
Rajesh
Khanna.
Khanna is
I
Yeah.
think
OP. One above
if I
all.
remember my childhood when I cried by watching a movie, it was that movie. Okay,
Wow.
so I really appreciate that movie
Go
so
watch
much.
Yeah.
Avatar and Swarg
Really,
too.
yeah,
You'll
Avatar.
cry again.
It was very good. It was very good.
Definitely. Rajesh Khanna is OP man. Always.
Yeah.
Okay, so worst movies,
Hmm.
worst movies. That will be Bollywood movies, I guess. That some
Salman
of the
Khan
Bollywood
movie.
movies, and Bollywood movies really I like is Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I really like that movies, and there is some movies on friendship like Pyar Ka Panchrama Sada Add, and those are the movies I
Aha,
really like.
प्यार का
And one
बचड़ा
more
भैया.
movie is
Yeah.
Run.
I was with Aditya is Rang De Basanti and all.
Rang De Basanti is
Those are
so
the great
yeah, it's
movies.
so
Okay,
epic.
so there are numerous movies I like.
But the worst one,
Worst
like
one
you
is the
feel.
Bollywood movies, I think. Not Bollywood
But
movies,
but
all,
you have
but
to
some of the movies Bollywood.
but you have to
Yeah,
name like
yeah.
the one. Yeah.
I really don't like Tamasa. Okay.
You are a cool person.
Okay, I may be fool, but it's my perception of the things. The
No, no,
message
no,
was
no.
okay.
Maybe
You no, no. You watched the movie very long time ago. So
No, I
maybe
watched it in the
you
summer.
were under development.
Yeah,
You were so
I
not
think,
so
I
developed
definitely
at
think
that
I am not.
time.
please don't argue. We are the fan of Tamasa.
Yeah,
Okay, so
definitely.
I'm
I'm a
having
big
no,
fan.
I'm no one to argue you,
No.
but the message
Yeah.
I got was okay. The message I got was okay, but the preparation, the making of that
Yeah,
movie,
yeah, yeah.
I really don't
I
like
accept that this
yeah.
Tamasa is little bit slow and boring.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I didn't like that thing on the movie. Actually, I like the like the if it was a
Nice.
short movie made for 15 minutes in the
Okay,
YouTube,
okay.
that would be great.
Okay, I have a
Okay.
question. We are we all four are belong from the technology branch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just say about your recent watch startup movie,
Recently
Startup
started.
movie.
which is based on the startup.
I
Mm-hmm.
really
Any movie.
haven't watched that type of movie, I think. Till
Movie on
name some
startups.
movies, some famous movies. If I have watched that, I will raise my hand.
Okay, okay, okay. Any web series also.
Web series
Web
features.
series pictures, obviously.
Teachers.
But
Everyone
that was
was
long.
everyone was fan of the pictures.
Yeah,
Definitely, yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
And I watched
I
the Wolf of Wall Street many years ago.
yeah.
Wow.
Many years ago. I actually don't remember the stories. I really
Just
forget things.
just sell the pen.
Yeah.
The famous dialogue of 2 and 3 minutes.
Rishabh, name some movies. We will watch that someday, or
Yeah,
if
yeah.
we will watch, we will raise
In
the hand.
Bollywood, there is a famous movie. Please watch it. Rocket
Mm-hmm.
Singh Salesman.
Rocket Six Salesman. Yeah.
Rock.
It's
Yeah.
amazing.
Okay.
It's amazing work.
Yeah, it's
But
amazing
it's so
movie.
underrated. I don't know why
Yeah,
it's underrated.
it is flop movie, but it is one of the
Best,
best movie of the
best,
startup. And many
definitely.
and this is said that when this movie came in 2008,
Okay.
many people resign their job and start the startup due to
Oh,
this movie.
So
nice.
this
Yeah.
is the impact of
Oh.
an
Yeah,
artwork.
cinema.
This is an
Cinema.
impact of
Yeah,
a
Yeah.
cinema actually.
And there and in Hollywood, please watch the movie Social Network.
Social
This is
network.
the this is the
Social network.
this is the biography of the how the Facebook uh, network build and how the startup build the whole session
Mhm.
and the whole universe. And
Right.
there is also one movie, The Intern.
The intern.
Yeah, based
Yeah,
on Bill Gates.
yeah, based on the Bill Gates.
Mhm.
Please watch this. These two movies
Steve
are
Jobs
best.
have one
Yeah,
documentary,
Steve
right?
Jobs has a documentary, and
Documentary.
yeah, this is the mostly the basic concept of the Apple. This movie has the basic concept of the Apple, how
Mhm.
they think about the no Steve Jobs. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
Okay.
yeah. That movie. And there is also one movie which is based in McDonald's.
Okay.
McDonald's. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
which was this movie because this is the worldwide famous company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that
Yeah.
is actually
I have not watched the movie of McDonald's. No, no, no. McDonald's, no. Yeah, Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. Okay.
Yeah, I have not watched that movie, but
Mhm.
I know about this. This is the part of the movie. But I have
Yeah.
watched the Intern, Social Network, and many. This is a fiction. This is non-fiction story, but
Okay.
there is many also movie which are not, which are based on the fiction, just like Song Hung. This is the web
So
series. Yeah, this is the web series, and
Okay.
this is a just like advanced version of the pictures.
Okay,
pictures.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah, in Hollywood.
Yeah.
Actually, most of people like this type of movie, like a startup
Yeah, because
and grow.
because it opens the like the closed
Yeah,
brain of
it
that.
opens the idea and give you
Yeah,
many idea to build anything.
because everyone
Yeah.
thinks of some idea or something, but as soon as they
But
know that
they
someone
can't
else is
execute.
doing, yeah, so some sort of motivation I think come from that movies. And I think that great people they really watch great movies and get inspired from that only.
Right.
Yeah, great books,
Yeah.
great movies, get great.
Actually, yeah. Actually, I have watched one TED Talks, and they quoted like I barely remember. Like you first people, the artists, like who write books and form, these fictional stories and movies. So they create ideas and by
Yeah.
putting all their imagination. And after that, the scientists and the whole generation of technology, they try to, make it into the
Make
real
them.
world.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So that's
I
how
too
it
think that.
works.
Yeah.
And after that, it eventually it supports both of them. Like
Yeah.
the imagination part makes the real things, and the real things again eventually leads to
Yeah.
a new
And
imagination,
enhance
and
the
this goes on.
enhance the existing technology on all.
Yeah.
So yeah, ML is created by some fiction, but the use of machine learning is like enhanced by some writer or something, and that would be achieved
Hmm.
later in the technology or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so that loop is continuous. So I
Hmm.
think like it's been almost
30.
36 minutes. Okay, so we
Okay,
are
Okay.
okay.
36 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, my one question, my question is that we are talking many more thing about movies. Uh, my question is that who is your favorite actor and actress? Act,
Okay.
actor, only actor,
Only
not
actor. Okay.
actress only. Okay.
Okay. That is going to be
Aditya's
easy,
answer
I
is
think.
Manoj Bajpayee.
Nah. Manoj Bajpayee is obviously is a a polished character, diamond, obviously.
And my
Age
answer, the
versus
whole world know.
Manoj Bajpayee is versatile actor.
Yeah. No, it's actually he completely works on a different genre.
Yeah.
So he
What
cannot be a
genre?
favorite, but at the same time we cannot discard him as well. It's something
Yeah.
like that.
In the Bollywood, I really like work of Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Rocket star.
yeah, every movie
So,
of her,
every
every
movie
movie of
his.
his. Okay, sorry, every movie of his. Ranbir Kapoor is a great actor. Okay,
Hmm.
instead of whatever the news you hear about his, it doesn't really matter on the work. Yeah,
Definitely.
Ranbir Singh is a great actor, but talking about Ranbir Kapoor, I really like more Ranbir Kapoor than Ranbir Singh. Okay, and
Yeah.
if we will talk about Nawazuddin and all, those are epic things. Those people are not counted in these things.
Right.
So that and one more, I really like Farhan Akhtar.
His movies are actually, they are generally different from others. Like I find them
Yeah,
very different.
they are choosing the
Different genre.
yes,
Not genre,
different
actually
level of
something,
script.
yeah, some different direction actually
Yeah.
And
from the
it's
entire.
about Bollywood, and there are more people in Bollywood. They are great actors
Hmm,
like
hmm, hmm.
Anupam Kher and all.
Right.
So
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
in the web series, Jeetu Bhaiya is amazing.
Jeetu
Okay,
bhi is
so
constant. Yep.
Jeetu Bhaiya is most amazing guy in the web series world, and one more guy, and I really don't remember names of Hollywood actors actually, but
Mhm.
in Hollywood actually most of the characters are well polished and they are well versed in their acting and all.
How can you forget Robert Downey
Yeah.
Jr.?
I
Yeah.
because I really knew I
Robert.
first thing I think of Hollywood, the first name came in my comes in my mind
Robert
is of
Downey
that
Jr.
guy. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, but it will be a little bit like what we say. Why we like Downey Jr. is because the work in the Iron Man 1 actually.
Yeah.
There were no
But
scripts.
No
There were no
scripts.
scripts, and there are so much he added by himself to the character that made him real Iron Man. Okay, so
but
that's the great thing.
but technically the in Hollywood I have seen a lot of movie of Leonardo DiCaprio and Johnny Depp.
Okay,
Hmm.
which
Yeah,
one?
Johnny
Johnny
Depp.
Depp.
Johnny
Johnny Depp
Depp
is
is
my favorite
Yeah.
actor.
Leonardo
okay,
DiCaprio. Yeah.
that's why I said that in Hollywood mostly movies actually we Hollywood produces
We
lot
have
of
Tom
movies
Cruise.
and they have
Yeah.
the great actors of that and
And in Hollywood, every one actor have a one sign movie, which which movie has Bond, which movie have Bond character of there.
Yeah, really,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
that's true. Like Pirates of the Caribbean, you talk about Johnny
Yeah.
Depp, okay?
Johnny
So
Depp. Mhm.
Pirates of
Johnny
the
Depp.
Caribbean is made for Johnny Depp. No one can
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
exactly play the role of Johnny Depp better than. No one can play the role of Captain Jack Sparrow better than Johnny Depp. Not
Yeah,
even
yeah.
the Iron Man or Steve Jobs. No
And
one, no one.
Joker.
And yeah, really
Joker
Joker.
hell.
Joker.
Yeah, Joker.
And really and talk about Spider-Man and talk about Harry Potter. Who could play better a role than the what is the name of the Harry Potter?
H. I'm losing its name. Something from H, man.
Pattison.
Something from H. Come
Let
on.
me search that. We have
Yeah,
Google.
just search it. Mhm. We should make use of it. Something from H. Ter- Harry Potter.
Harry Potter played by this guy. Okay. So what's his name? Harry Potter played by Daniel
Are you searching,
Radcliffe.
Akhil?
Daniel
Oh.
Dan
Radcliffe.
Radcliffe.
Daniel
Yeah.
Radcliffe.
Sorry. Yeah, Radcliffe.
Okay, so
Daniel.
no one can match that thing by Harry Potter. Okay.
Right.
So it's just the matter of fact, and it's really so much true that Rishabh said. It the characters are made for the actors, and I really appreciate the casters who really think that
Casting director. Yeah,
casting
yeah.
director and the makeup guy who makes the everyone has contribution, but the real thing is really they make the
Yeah.
characters
Okay.
alive.
Just think. Anyone can play the role of Brad Pitt in Fight Club.
No one can. The
That
the
character is
the
un.
swag
Yeah.
you really think of is
Unmatchable.
Yeah.
unmatchable.
Just where he smoked and came from the bus.
Yeah, he does the things in a very natural way, like
Hmm.
he's doing in a real life actually. It doesn't give a shit about things. Just I don't want to expose the things and reveal the secret of that movie to Aditya and all, because it's
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
great movie you have to watch. I think you should watch this movie once in a year
Yeah. We will watch it. Definitely.
at least.
Yes.
Yeah.
At least.
So I think we should come to an end because we will
Yeah.
talk it about
And one
all-
more thing, you should
Yeah.
watch Gangs of Wasepur once in 6 months. To just watch this with your friends and all. You will be having great time. Like your all
Oh,
stress
yeah.
will be released
yeah.
and all. So that's from my side to the community. So if you are guys having some movie to recommend someone to watch, then just tell me. I will
Just
write those the movies in the description.
I have give to you a list, bro.
I'm stuck to that list. Okay, so whenever I think of a movie, I just open that list. I tend to watch that movie, and I'm not thinking of any other movies than those lists. I'm having a goal to finish that list. Okay.
Okay.
okay. And
I
one more
want
thing from Amit.
Yeah, I want list for Rishabh.
Yeah, definitely you can get it from Akhil or Rishabh. And one more thing from for our audience, like you can just comment your movies, your best and worst movies, and that's it. We will just comment it out in the new sessions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Just wrap it.
it's a nice time we are having, so we are saying goodbye, good night to all.
Yeah, good night, goodbye.
Good night.
Amit.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye.